Couldn't have asked for more, right? Series win, match win, 100 number, 32nd. Yeah, how was it?
No, it was good. Really enjoyed being out there, scoring some runs for the team. Um, Obviously, important game, series on the line as well. Um, but yeah, I mean, I really broke it down into pieces about how I wanted to bat. It's a 50-over format, obviously a little longer than T20 format and a little shorter than Test cricket, obviously. A lot shorter than Test cricket, but obviously you still need to break it down and assess what you need to do at every regular intervals, and that is what I kept doing. It was important for a batter who gets set needs to bat as deep as possible, and that was my focus.
Is it fair to say that start of your innings you wanted to play straighter and down the ground a lot more rather than cross the wicket? Is that a fair assessment?
Yeah, I mean you can say so. Obviously, looking at the pitch, when you play on black soil, the pitch tend to skid on a little bit. So it's important that you show the full face of the bat when you're batting initially. And then once I got into my innings, obviously I understood what they were trying to do. Bowling into our body and trying to, not give any room, so keeping it on the stumps. And that's where I prepared my plan as well of what I wanted to do to those kind of deliveries, trying to access, the gaps which were there. So it's all about just understanding what you want to do as a batter, and obviously got a very good support from Gill to start with, and then Shreyas as well.
Let's talk about that opening partnership. 600-run opening partnership, I think average of 77, 78 between you and Shubman Gill. What is it? What's the mantra there?
No mantra. It's just about we enjoy looking at each other, looking at how we bat. Gill is a very, very classy player. I've seen him now with close quarters over the years, and doesn't seem to get overawed by the situation. He's just so focused as what he is required to do in the middle, and then the numbers are there as well, if I'm not wrong, for Gill. It's just so classy to watch from the other side as well.
Bowling effort, again, superb, especially the spinners. Varun on debut has done well. Obviously, Jadeja was fabulous. So how important is that middle phase, especially with, this Champions Trophy coming up?
No, it is quite important, and that is where, the game can go either side. If you try to manage and squeeze in those middle overs, it gives you a good chance to not, worry so much about the depth, because especially when you start talking about, upfront and depth, but the middle over I feel is very, very crucial. And that is where I think in both the games, even in Nagpur, we squeezed in